Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off captures in Roblox. So first, you just have to simply log into your Roblox account, select any game right here. For example, Grow a Garden Offline or Grows Offline. And then you have to tap on the play button. If you haven't downloaded the Roblox, you need to download it first. And then once done, open and sign into your account. Now here, all you need to do is tap on the escape option on your keyboard, and you should see the following option or the settings, including captures. And if you see an off button or turn off option, then all you need to do is to tap that one. So for example, this one right here. So if you have already captured something and if you want to turn this one off, you just have to turn this one off. In some game, you just have to tap on the three lines at the top left corner and you should see the captures right here. You just have to click this one in order for it to turn on and turn off. So sometimes it's different with the Roblox game that you have selected. But basically that's it. You can just simply tap the three lines, tap on captures on and off, or tap on or click skip, go to the settings, or tap on the gear icon. Look for captures, and if you see the off option right here, just turn this one off. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.